I'm here with Marvin from Winegard. It's nice to see you again.
Dave, great seeing you.
You were familiar with the Winegard Air 360, the Gateway. I remember the very first remote control that came out, the wireless for the TVs. It was my dad saying, Dave, go change the channel. But now you've got a new product called the Halo, which takes connectivity to a whole new level. Tell me about it.
The RV Halo is a voice command unit that allows you to be able to walk into your RV and say, okay RV, and at that point you can give it commands such as, what's my fresh water tank level? Turn on the water pump. What's the black water tank level? Any of those types of questions you can ask it and it will answer you. Works very similar to Alexa in that respect, but unlike the Alexa that requires an internet connection, the OK RV can work offline without an internet connection. In addition to that, it also has the ability to be an Alexa, and it will do all the functions that Alexa can do. So you can say, Alexa, what's the weather here? And it can tell you. Ask it to forecast, it can tell you. So anything that Alexa can do, we can do.
So the proprietary system is kind of nice because when you get into a campground, we all know that if you're not right by the office and the modem, you will not be able to get a signal pretty much back. So you don't have to rely on that.
Yes, and that's the nice thing about our product. You can roll in before you do anything as far as hooking up your internet, if there is even internet there. The RV Halo voice product will work with your voice without an internet connection.
Okay, so you can hook up lights, radios, you can even do slide rooms, you said, with a little bit of a glitch.
Yes, RVI requires that you have your finger on a button, physically holding down a button or pushing a button anytime the slides are in motion. So what we've developed is a little key fob that you literally pull out of your pocket, and when you say OK RV, move slide 1, it will say, are you ready to move slide 1? And as long as you're holding that button and continuing to hold it down, slide 1 will move out. And the reason for that is if you discovered that all of a sudden there's a tree in the way of it or any other obstacle that you don't want your slide to go in, the minute you release that little key fob button, the slide stops. But as long as you're holding the button down, it'll do slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, as many slides you have, and it'll just go right around and do them all. So you can literally walk inside your RV and say, okay RV, set up camp, hold that button down, and it does all for you while you're sitting on the couch enjoying your glass of wine.
Will it get a glass of wine for me?
No, unfortunately, you still have to get off the couch to do that, Dave.
Still have to do something.
Yes.
Well, so if you want to rough it luxuriously from the comfort of your RV, check out Halo.
RV Halo Voice Control.
RV Halo Voice Control from Winegard.